In this experiment, we will investigate the change in total momentum and kinetic energy in a sticky crash. Mount a motion sensor at one end of a runway. Connect it to a computer via a data logger interface. Adjust the runway for friction compensation. There are Velcro attachments on trolleys A and B, such that they will stick together after collision. Run the data logging program and start data recording. Give trolley A a sharp push to make it move away from the motion sensor and collide with trolley B. The two trolleys then move together. Stop data recording. Try to find out from the graphs the velocities of the trolleys before and after collision. Then repeat the experiment by adding 1 and 2 mass bars to trolley A in turn to double and triple its mass. Find out the total momentum and kinetic energy of the trolleys before and after each collision. What can you observe from the result?